Happy morning, my dear children. Welcome back to Science Online class. Children, what we learned in the last class, do you remember? Yes, that is parts of a plant. Okay, today we are going to continue the same lesson. Before that, we have a quick recap on what we learned in the last class. Children, plants are of different types. You know which are the parts of a plant? It has two parts. Yes, that is root and shoot. The part of the plant that grow below the ground is called root, and the part of the plant that grow above the ground is called shoot. The shoot is made up of the stem, branches, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. Okay children, then we discuss about the functions of these parts. Children, what are the main functions of the root? Yes, it takes in water from the soil and it fixes the plant firmly to the soil. Children, the stem of a plant has its own jobs. You know what are the main functions of the stem? Yes, it bears branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. And second, the stem supports the plant. Then we discuss about the types of plants. Based on the size and shape of the stem, plants are of different types. Which are they children? Yes, they are herbs, shrubs, climbers, creepers and trees. You know what are herbs? Herbs are small plants with thin stems. Then what about shrub? Shrubs are also small plants. They have strong and woody stem. For example, rose, cotton, etc. Then climbers and creepers have weak stem. They need a support to grow. Then trees. You know what are trees? Trees are tall plants with strong and woody stem. And the stem of a tree is called trunk. Children, today we are going to learn about leaves and its functions. Okay, what is the color of the leaves, children? Yes, most of the leaves are in green color and some are in orange, red, brown in color. And all of them have different shapes. Okay children, isn't it? In our garden we can see different types of plants are there. And all the plants have same type of leaves? No, there are different types of leaves are there. Some are in flat structure, some are very small, some are needle-like structure. Isn't it children? Yes. Then you know what are the functions of the leaves? It has two important jobs. First one is they make food for the plant. You know how they will make the food? The plant use water from the soil and carbon dioxide from the air to make food. Children, how they will prepare food? We know the root takes in water from the soil and the leaves takes in carbon dioxide from the air. Air is a mixture of gases, so they takes carbon dioxide from the air. Then using sunlight, they will prepare food. How they will prepare children? The plant prepared food with the help of sunlight, carbon dioxide and water. Carbon dioxide plus water using sunlight, food. So, first function of the leaf is it make food for the plant. And the next function is it takes in and throws out air. Children, on the surface of the leaves, tiny pores will be there. Okay, we cannot see that spores. And the air enters a plant through these pores. Okay, during the daytime, we know what the plant will do. The plant will prepare their food using sunlight. At night, we know there is no sunlight. So, what they will do? They use oxygen from the air for respiration and throws out carbon dioxide through this pore. Okay, and these leaves are called the noses of a plant. The leaves are called the noses of a plant. What are the two functions, children? First one, it prepares food for the plant and it is called the kitchen of the plant. And second one, it takes in and throws out air. It is called the noses of a plant. Children, do this activity to check whether a plant needs air. Okay, what you want to do? Place a potted plant in the sun. Then cover both sides of the leaves with Vaseline. The Vaseline will block the pores on the leaves. Children, where we can see these pores? Yes, on the surface of the leaves. When we are covering with Vaseline, the pores will block. Okay, children. Then water the plant every day. Okay, water the plant every day. After 2 or 3 days, the plant will die. You know why? Because it will not get any air. From these, what we can understand, children? Yes, plants need air. Children, do one more activity to find plants need sunlight. Okay, what you have to do, children? Put a potted plant in a dark place indoors. And what will happen, children? After few days, the plants die. You know why? Because they cannot make food without sunlight. How the plants will make food, children? Using sunlight, carbon dioxide and water. If there is no sunlight is there, they cannot make food. Flowers. Flowers are beautiful and attractive part of a plant. Children, have you all like flowers? In a garden, we can see different types of flowers will be there. Isn't it, children? Then a flower has two parts. You know which are they? That is petals and sepals. Petals means the colored part of a flower is called petals. And down we can see a green colored part that is called sepals. Then you know what is the job of a flower? The job of a flower is to help plant to produce new plants. And the fruits grow from the flower. And inside the fruit, what we can see, children? Inside the fruits there are seeds will be there. Then from these seeds the new plants grow. Children, some fruit like mango and lychee have only one seed. Have you seen that? Only one seed will be there. But the fruits like tomato, papaya, lemon and all, we can see more seeds will be there inside the fruit. Okay, then these seeds grow into a new plant. Children, all of you take page number 41. Let's do the book back exercise. Match and complete the sentences. First, leaves make food. How they will make food, children? With water and carbon dioxide. Second, leaves have holes. Okay, through which air enters. Okay, we know on the surface of the leaves, holes will be there through which air enters. Then third one, some birds grow into branches and leaves. Okay, then some stems help the plant climb. We know climbers and creepers have weak stem, so they need a support to climb. Then next one, the root. What is the function of the root, children? It fixes the plant to the soil. Write T for true and F for false. First one, plants need sunlight to make food. Is it true, children? Yes, plants need water, carbon dioxide and sunlight to prepare their food. So it is true. Second one, it is the root's job to support the plant. Is it true, children? What are the functions of the root? It fixes the plant firmly in the soil and it takes in water from the soil. Then which part will support? Yes, the stem support the plant. So it is false. Third one, the branches of trees grow near the ground. Is it true, children? No, trees are tall plants with strong and woody stem. So it is also false. Then fourth one, whole herbs live for only one season. Is it true, children? No, some herbs like henna and periwinkle, they live for many years. Then fifth one, flowers have the job of helping new plants to grow. Is it true, children? Yes. The flowers will help the plant to grow new plants. Children, let's discuss the question answers in these lessons. First one, which part of a plant grows above the ground? Shoot grows above the ground. Second one, name the part of a plant that makes food. The leaves make food. Third one, what kind of a stem does a herb have? Herbs have soft and thin stems. Fourth one, name any two herbs and shrubs. Herbs, tulasi, mint. Shrub, rose, cotton. Fifth one, which part of a plant takes in water? The roots help a plant take in water from the soil. Children, hope you all understood about the lesson parts of a plant. Then write your classwork very neatly with legible handwriting and complete your assignments.